Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where today we're diving into something so outrageous it redefines the meaning of luxury travel. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a rolling statement that makes even private jets seem ordinary. The first thing you notice is the sheer presence. The Bugatti DNA is alive here. Sleek aerodynamic lines, a front grille that screams performance, and a body finished in ultra-premium materials. It looks less like a motorhome and more like a futuristic hypercar stretched into a palace. Step inside and your jaw drops instantly. The living room feels like a high-class lounge with panoramic windows, Italian leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and a 4K smart entertainment wall. It's not just comfort, it's an experience that rivals first-class suites in the sky. Move into the kitchen, and you're greeted with a full gourmet setup. Marble countertops, high-end appliances, automated cabinets, and even a climate-controlled wine cellar. Cooking here doesn't feel like travel, it feels like fine dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant. The bedroom is pure elegance. A king-size floating bed, handcrafted finishes, mood lighting, and hidden storage that opens with a touch. Every detail whispers exclusivity and makes you forget you're inside something that moves on wheels. And then there's the bathroom, spacious, lined with luxury stone, rainfall shower, digital smart mirrors, and heated flooring. Honestly, most five-star hotels don't come close to this level of detail. But Bugatti didn't stop at luxury. They packed in performance too. Underneath, this beast carries a powertrain inspired by their hypercars, ensuring that even while carrying all this luxury, it glides across highways with unmatched stability and speed. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome isn't just a way to travel. It's a new definition of freedom and power. It makes private jets feel like yesterday's news. So would you trade the skies for this road-going masterpiece? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insane rides here on Auto Plus.